Hello everyone, and welcome to our weather update on August 24th, 2024. The state was a day of sunshine and heavy showers with some local hail and lightning. And tonight we'll see showers moving away, but through the early hours of the morning we'll see some rain pushing in towards the west coast, and through the early morning tomorrow it will push eastwards. It will clear the east coast by about 9 AM tomorrow. However, it will linger all day in the north, so a soggy all day for Ulster and North Connacht. There is a warning for rain for Donegal due to the heavy and constant nature of the rain, with the already very wet grounds there. Into the evening, we see some sunshine in the south, but in the north it stays cloudy and damp through the evening. Into Monday, Monday we see things drying up. So brighter for a time in the morning with some showers around. In the afternoon though, we see some high cloud pushing in. That is ahead of some rain in the west by evening. Now, heavy rain overnight Monday to Tuesday goes eastwards. That rain does linger for a time. It does linger for a time in the southeast, but otherwise it clears away from all areas by afternoon to leave a day of sunshine and cloud. Into Wednesday we see a day of sunshine and a few showers, so Wednesday's quite decent. And Thursday morning, we see, really Wednesday to Thursday overnight, we see this heavier area of showery rain in the north. And Thursday itself is quite a nice day with sunshine and only a few showers. So here is the temperature forecast from the UKV. So you can see that through tonight we'll see lows of around 9 to 12, rising overnight due to the incoming rain. Through tomorrow, we will see highs of 12 to 18 Celsius. That is north to south. In the north, it's damp all day and cloudy and wet, so it's quite cool. But in the south, temperatures do rise. Into Sunday night, into Monday morning, we see lows of around 11 to 13. For a Monday afternoon, highs of 16 to 19 Celsius. So Monday is quite warm actually, especially through the Midlands and East. Into Tuesday, we see lows of a very mild or warm 15 to 17 Celsius, so a humid night with that wind and rain. And Wednesday and Tuesday itself even is a warm day with highs of 17 to 21. Also, it's getting very warm for parts of Cambridge and East Anglia there into Tuesday of the UK. Into Wednesday, we see lows of 11 to 13, which is quite cool. And into Wednesday itself, highs again of around 16 to 21. Notice 28 there for London on Wednesday, so getting hot. And into Thursday, lows of around 10 to 12. Thursday afternoon, highs of a cooler 14 to 18 Celsius, but that will only be temporary. So here is the NAO index of certain forecasters. So currently, weekly positive with the NAO. And it will stay that way through into early September. Now, that looks more like it. I'll show you why. By the way, if you've got positive NAO, it tends to mean that the Azores area is stronger and a lot more influential. So here is the GFS midnight run. Sorry, the GFS 12Z run even. Jesus Christ, what am I doing today? Yeah, so the green one's midnight run and the blue one's 12 Z. Okay, so moving on. Today was showery with blustery westerly winds. Tomorrow is quite breezy but dry in the south and damp in the north. That was a little tease there. Into next week, next Monday is humid. Next Tuesday is humid with rain. Then into Wednesday, Thursday was showery, cooling down as well. Now next Friday we see the Azores high inching up then, ridging up. And by next Saturday, it's forming a decent area of high pressure over us into our east. That will be a start of a warm and dry spell here. It keeps going into Sunday, early September. It keeps going. Sustained spell of high pressure. Before, I think that would be quite a cold pull to our north. Yes, we've got some cold to our north. High pressure sort of goes to our west, so some slightly cooler air does come around the high, but nowhere near as cold as they're up there, obviously. But cooler dry theme, but still it's really quite warm and dry throughout the first week of September here, with high pressure around the country and generally quite warm air, apart from possibly around the 4th of the month there. Then we go into probably quite a cooler and wetter second week of September with that low digging in with the jet stream. So here's the ECMWF run. ECM, once again, is showery today. Tomorrow is a north-south split. And into Monday, we are cloudy but humid. And Monday night to Tuesday is very wet. Now, Wednesday, Thursday are showery and cooler. Friday, we see more rain coming in then. But next Saturday, up builds the high pressure from the south. So it's turning drier, sunnier as well, and very warm. Now look at this. So next Sunday, we get an intense high pressure over us. We've got the purple colours over us there. Those crimson colours there. It's not often that you see that. But remind that shows the pressure at 500 HPA, which is we get as high as you can get really on the graph, just to our south there through early September, and that high comes right over us. Yeah, that's a strong area of high pressure there for early September. Now, if that is sunny, upper temperatures are very warm. We can easily get the temperature towards the high 20s inland, or at least the mid 20s inland. Yeah, that would be something. That would be something if it came off an early September heat wave. That would be. Here's the GEM. GEM. Once again, there's westerly winds up until it's doing it as up until we go to around Thursday. Same sort of story, GEM. Now once again, up builds that high pressure on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. It forms right over us. Difference with GEM is that it's over to our north, so you get more of an easterly flow. That might bring a few showers into the east coast, possibly, especially towards the UK, as there is some sort of upper level trough there. And then we end up next Tuesday just looking warm and dry with an extension there from the Azores side up towards like Shetland and so on. So here's the UK Met run. So once again, we're unsettled up until next Thursday and Friday, by which point the Azores side does start to build in. And next Saturday, here we go, start of a dry and warm spell. Icon, once again. Tomorrow is a north-south split into Monday, Tuesday, or Monday and Tuesday overnight, it's very wet, and into Wednesday, Thursday. We keep it wet and windy, really. Now, it takes a bit longer with the GEM. Next Saturday is still a bit unsettled, but then the high pressure does break out, and next Sunday we start looking much warmer and drier. Finally, the arpege. Tomorrow is dry in the south, damp in the north. Monday is breezy and quite mild and cloudy. Tuesday is brighter after the rain and quite cooler as well. And into next week, it just stays westerly. And next Thursday, westerly winds, but that high is one to watch. Everyone, thanks for watching. By the way, I do want to show you the GFS ensembles as well. Diagrams GFS. There we go, Dublin. There we go. Okay, so look at 12 said. Models. Okay, so once again, each line is a GFS. It is a GFS arm. So remember, and the white line is the average line, and the average is the ensemble mean, while the red line is the long-term average in terms of temperature, upper temperature. So you can see it's going quite cool now, getting milder into sort of next week before getting cooler again towards the end of next week. Then into early September. There's quite a few runs that go for a sustained run of warm temperatures there, but equally there actually are some models that don't go for that. Funnily enough, that only what we can see is only the ensembles that are going for like only a brief warm spell. All the operational runs are going for quite a sustained, strong area of high pressure. So we have to wait and see about that, but to show you that not every ensemble member actually goes for a proper like a heat wave pattern. There is still uncertainty, so see how that goes. Everyone, thanks for watching. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.